Namaskar. Do you sometimes lie down at night with a tired body but a restless mind? This is very common these days. In fact, studies show that nearly 60% of urban Indians have a poor sleep quality. So today I am going to tell you how you can get a deep sleep naturally by the yogic practice of chakra balancing. But first, let's understand the problem clearly. In modern times, days are past and so uncertain. These are deadlines, EMI, children's education, health worries, traffic, screen. All of these keeps your nervous system alert. Even when your body wants rest, your nervous system does not feel settled. And from a yogic point of view, sleep does not begin in the bedroom. It begins in your nervous system. When I see patients with insomnia, I don't ask them about sleep. I ask, do you feel safe in life? Do you feel consciously anxious about something? Almost always, I find that answer points to disturbance in two chakras. One is the Mooladhara or the root chakra. Another is Ajna or the third eye chakra. Now let's come to the first chakra. Mooladhara is located at the base of spine. This chakra is about stability, survival, and the need to feel secured. When Mooladhara is balanced, your body feels stable and safe. When it is disturbed, your body stays alert, even at night. Modern science says the same thing, but in a different language. When you feel unsafe or uncertain, the sympathetic nervous system stays active. Cortisol, the stress hormone, remains high. Studies show that people with chronic stress have slow release of hormone called melatonin. This directly affects your sleep. Ayurveda connects this to Vata dosha. Excess Vata creates dryness, lightness, and movement, all qualities opposite to sleep. So you see, whether we speak of yoga, Ayurveda, or neuroscience, the message is what? Without stability, you cannot get good sleep. Now let us see how you can work with your Mooladhara Chakra in your daily life. First, timing matters. These practices should be done after sunset, ideally between 6 and 9 pm, when your body is naturally preparing for rest. Second, simple practices works best. Sit or lie down. Bring attention to your base of spine. Breathe slowly into the lower abdomen. Mentally repeat a stabilizing thought, such as, I am safe and I am protected. 5 to 7 minutes is also enough. Along with this, one very effective yogic posture for Mooladhara is Yogendra Malasana. This is a gentle yogic squat where your feet remain grounded, spine is upright, and the pelvic region is relaxed. When you practice Yogendra Malasana for 30 to 60 seconds every day, it helps calm the excess vata, grounds the nervous system, and gives a deep sense of physical security, which is too essential for a good sleep. Third, your body needs heaviness. Take a warm oil massage on the feet or on your lower back. Have a nice warm dinner around 7 in the evening. Sleep at a regular time around 10 at night. These are not small things. They directly calm Vata and stabilize Mooladhara Chakra. One important precaution is that you should not overstimulate this chakra with intense practices at night. Avoid powerful pranayam or asana sequences close to bedtime. Next, let us move upwards towards the Ajna Chakra, the space between your eyebrows. This chakra is about your thoughts and mental processing. From a scientific view, overthinking keeps your prefrontal cortex active. Studies show that people suffering from insomnia have a higher brain glucose metabolism at night. This means that your brain does not slow down. Ayurveda again explains this as Vata mixed with Pitta, movements with intensity. So the solution is not a forceful sleep technique, but mental cooling. First, Reduce sensory stimulation. Avoid any screen at least 1 hour before bed. Stay away from bright light, which disturbs melatonin. Second, focus gently, sit comfortably, close your eyes. Bring attention to the space between eyebrows. Let your breaths become slow and natural. No chanting, no effort. Just be aware. That's all. Here, a very effective classical practice is called as Yogendra Yoni Mudra. In this mudra, your senses are gently withdrawn by closing the eyes and ears, allowing your mind to turn inwards naturally. Practice Yogendra Yoni Mudra for a few minutes before sleep to quieten mental noise, reduce sensory overload, and settle your Ajna Chakra without any strain. Third, empty your mind before bed. Write down your worries in a journal. Read something calming. Listen to slow, steady sounds or devotional songs. Ajna Chakra settles when it feels unpressured. So, avoid intense meditation or visualization late at night. It sharpens Ajna instead of settling it. Now, I'll tell you a few holistic points. Take some sunlight on your body in the morning. This improves nighttime sleep by resetting your body clock. Walk barefoot on safe natural surfaces to ground your nervous system. Take meals at regular time to stabilize both chakras. One thing you must understand very well is that sleep is not an isolated activity. It's a reflection of how your day has been. In yoga, sleep is not seen as an escape. It is seen as a return to balance. So remember, when the roots are steady and the mind is calm, rest becomes natural. Namaskar.